We have another little jobette to do today. This little Bosch GS40 is apparently throwing a red light, and I'm fairly confident that it is just blocked up. So we'll have a look at it, sort the blockage out, and maybe give it a little bit of a tidy up and see what is what, really? Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? We have a machine that I've never had before. I've seen them for sale, but can't say I've ever had one. It is a Bosch GS40 Compact Allergy 2 with sensor Bagless technology, a quattro power system. It sounds like a flipping Audi, doesn't it? But before we actually get down to what it is like, we need to work out where, and I'm assuming, where it is blocked. So I've got the tools off. In fact, let's take the hose off and we'll see what it does. Well, that's on max, that's very quiet. Doesn't seem massively powerful though. That's not very powerful at all. Let's just put the tools on. So it sounds the same with the tools on than off. What is this supposed to be? This is a it's a 700 watt job, but it should be more powerful than that. Now how do you get this off? So that comes out. I can see the problem already. She said she looked at this. This is going to cost her £20. Now I can see lots of plastic tabs to undo. I wonder how these all come out. There's like a second cyclone inside. I'm also, while I'm doing this, just going to take some pictures just so I can tell her what was wrong with it and where to look. So there we go. There's one. Now let's try and take this part out because I want to be fairly confident that I've got everything out. But I've never had one before and might never have one again unless I see one cheap, obviously. How does this come out? Well, there's two clips there, but they don't seem to do anything. Ah! Well, that bit pops up. Oh, this is interesting. So there's like a little mini cyclone. The deck. Ah, look, there's a big fat unlock button there. Ah, maybe that's not completely blocked. Let's see what happens if I take these off. So here's the suction channel itself. Gosh, that's a little bit disgusting in there. Now does this, so that will be what happens if I pop those clips out and pop these clips out, although I need a screwdriver to do that, I think. That doesn't seem to want to come out, although this whole inner cone is completely clogged up, and I'm wondering if that's the issue. Now, let's turn it on now and see if the motor note sounds different. Doesn't really. And there's a filter here. That's very dusty. Oh gosh. These don't filter very well. I'll show you that in a minute. Let me get another vacuum and we'll just tidy it up a little bit. Right, here we go. I spy with my little eye another filter. Oh wow, that's the problem, look. Whoa. Now Bosch in the UK is a premium brand. They are, my granddad had Bosch drills, Bosch car parts, Bosch did the Dieselgate issue. That is thick with dust. Let's give that a clean out and see what's what. Blimey, let's see if it sounds a bit happier now. Well, the motor certainly seems to run a bit better. I haven't washed that, but I just vacuumed it off. The whole thing is just caked in crap. That's terrible. I don't like these anymore. I thought these wouldn't have been too bad. That is poor. Poor, poor, poor. Let's see if it's any better now. Gosh. I just say there, when the display flashes red to clean the foam filter. Easy. That's a bit happier. That's a bit better. And that's much better. There we go. Now this floor tool's good. I'll show you this in a second if my battery lasts long enough. That's groomed the carpet a little bit, so that's the floor tool. It's got running wheels on it. I'll show you the state of behind here. The dust has just gone straight through the whole thing. In fact, that's probably caked in dust as well. And it's not too bad. That is terrible. I'm not a fan of these anymore. Could be a potential bargain though if you get one that doesn't work very well. See if I can show you the carpet grooming. Let me just sort out these ones. The floor tool suffers from a bounce, which is a bit of a shame. But it is now working again. I'm sure it'll work a lot better if the filter is washed. I might do that before it goes back. Yeah. Well, I'm sure there's more to give. But yeah. I don't think it's got a parking slot, like where it turns off. It's probably not that premium. No. Doesn't. Don't know what this sensor control is either. I think that just literally means the dial. That's minimum. so you can't turn it around anymore. Yeah, I don't think the sensor control bit means more than just a brand name, but there we go, quick little video on, I suppose, how to check the filters on your Bosch GS40 compact vacuum cleaner. Typical Bagless rubbish, I think, rather than premium Bosch. But there we go, it's all fixed now, all sorted. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.